In this video, I will show you how to make and create like this 3D text effect in Canva. So just follow and watch this video till the end. Open Canva first and go to this background and change the background color to black. And go right now to text and click add text, and you should add your text. So after that, change the font to any font that you would love to use. For me, I want to use this font, Anton, and make this large and bigger, like this effect. Then right now, guys, you have to go to download this picture, click download, and download it as a PNG type and transparent background. Click download. So after that, guys, we will delete this and we will add we will change this background and we will add our picture here. Go to upload and we will add our picture here, and we will make it in the right place for us. So I think so here it's better right now. So what I have to do, I will just duplicate this image and just put it on the right place. And after that, guys, we will go to apps, click on apps and search here in the search bar for transform. Click transform and choose this one and click choose a file and choose your file that we made effect. Add it here, and right now just control this here from here, guys. So make this zoom a little bit like this and control it till you make it in the right place, and then click add to design. So make it here just to make sure that it is on the right place. If it is not, you have to delete it and again control it. So I think right now this will be better. So it's good for me. What I have to do right now, I will just click on it and go to edit, adjust, and make the brightness like this, 100. So right now what I have to do, I will go and click right click layer, show layers, and click on the second page and click on remove background. And guys, after removing your background, take this between this and this, and right now go to element and search for effect or shadow, sorry, and choose this shadow and make it here in the right place. So just try to put it on the right place, guys, and go to transparency here and make it like this. Make it here on 76 and click right click layer, show layers, and put it here. And that's it, guys. If you want to add some another effect, you can add it. And that's all, guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.